With the vision to birth an African society where youth are inspired to cooperate and act in creating peace and promoting environmental conservation, Xhuma Africa has, in collaboration with some youth-led organizations, cleared tons of plastic waste from a drainage system in Mulang Street 5. This was geared towards commemorating the 2023 edition of the World Cleanup Day in Mizam Division of the Northwest region of Cameroon under the theme Let's Do It World. According to the founder and team lead of Xhuma Africa, Mr. Tebi Lewis, this exercise has diverse impacts on the environment, water, and our society at large.
It has been a pleasure taking active part in this campaign and series of activities, including the cleanup of this drainage around below Foncha, Bamenda and Queen, where we had tons of plastic papers held at the level of the bridge. Cleaning them up has a number of impacts both on the environment, on water, and the society at large. In terms of the environment, as you all may know, these plastic papers and bottles at the level of the river here affects aquaculture. It affects as well living organisms within the water and affects individuals downstream who, based on this stream or river as a source of livelihood, both for their gardening activities, for their cooking, for their sanitary activities, and of course for drinking. Because I know down river there are individuals who survive based on this river. I will encourage every other young person out there to take a step, take action by cleaning bottles all around our environment.
Chief Margaret, a volunteer with Xhuma Africa and a participant in these activities, says peace starts from our environment.
At Xhuma Africa, we fight for peace and for conflict resolution. Why did I take part in this campaign? We believe that we cannot be at peace without us being at peace with our environment. That is why we need to keep the environment clean. You will realize that we have been able to gather so much dirt, plastic dirt, and we see this as a milestone which we are going to add to other activities of people all over the world trying to make the planet a better place.